Hello guys, Happy New Year! Boa noite! Good evening! Today I have only 10 euro. So if I lose, I only lost 10 euro. 2026, I'm getting smarter. Maybe? Okay? I have ticket number 16 and 17. 50x, a 5 euro ticket. Okay? So, we're looking forward in Portuguese numbers. 32, 18, 22, 31, 24. My tripod is getting crazy, guys. 43, 42, 23, 19, 29. Ay, 2x, wow. So at least I get my money. 35, 36, 38. There's no donation today, guys. Ay, 2x again, wow. This is a good win, maybe. 21, 14, 41, 16. Wow, 2x. How much? Oh, of course. 5, in my 5. So, 20 euro win, guys. Wow, 2x5, 10, 2x5. Another 10, so 20. I only spent 10. This is a good win, guys. It's a good win. Okay? It's a good win. We're looking for 32, 35, 41, 39, 33. All 30s, guys. And only 141. 26, 44, 13, 43. So I got back-to-back wins, guys. Okay, 16 and 17. My phone. So I got back-to-back wins, guys. 2x5. This is a 20 euro win and 5 euro. So I spent 15 and I got back 25. So for me, it's a good session, guys, as long as I don't give donation to Portugal Lottery. So today I don't feel like spending money. So I only bought 10. So it's good. Better than nothing. So I got 15 euro to buy more tickets for the next session. And maybe almost sure will be donation. Okay, Happy New Year! 2026. Feliz Ano Novo. Bom Ano. Okay, ciao. Have a nice day.